What's going on, everybody? Jesse from Real Estate Connect and EXP Realty back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a beta that I'm launching for a CRM called Agent Prospector Pro. I'll just move my face really quick so you can check out the name. This is basically just a sales page for it, but just wanted to talk really quickly about this, that I have a promotional video, which I'll just put into this video as well. It pretty much breaks down all the features of this CRM, but I'm running a beta for this software for half off for the first 20 users for a few reasons, just basically to get feedback of using the Power Dialer and some of the features for cold calling that a lot of people use different softwares for. This is a tool that you can use a lot of different softwares all in one place. It's going to be really affordable. And I really just want to get people's feedback. Most likely, I'm going to create like a Facebook group and a couple other things just to communicate with the people in the beta. So really, the way that I'm going to run this beta is you just have to let me know if you're interested in it. And then I can send you an invoice and get you access to the platform and access to the Facebook groups, and just get your guys' feedback and go live pretty often, and just basically just make sure that this product is as good as possible once it launches outside of the beta. We have a lot of great features, like a great affiliate program where you can actually earn money by promoting this software to other people. So there's a lot of cool things going on. So without further ado, if you're interested in this, you just let me know in the comments and check out some of the features in the promotional video coming up right now. Cold calling is not dead, despite what a lot of marketers and gurus will tell you. Heck, I've been guilty for making that claim, since marketing agencies are taught to write copy that plays on realtors' pain points. But the truth is, people who cold call are far more likely to have success converting leads, even from online sources such as Facebook ads and Google ads. Well, why is that? Well, if you learn to have a conversation even with a contact whose information is incorrect, and you're able to turn that conversation into a relationship, then your conversion rates increase from almost any lead source, which is why I launched Agent Prospector Pro. It's an all-in-one tool to call contacts efficiently using a power dialer, stay in touch with your leads using pre-built weekly email templates so you don't have to guess what content to create, and stay in touch with your leads, two-way texting, call recordings, automated ways to put leads back in the power dialer at specific timeframes so you never forget when to follow up with people looking for your services in the near future, plus a whole lot more. Our quick start video guide will help you get started and explain how to use the system step by step to get the most out of Agent Prospector Pro. We also have an opportunity to earn a monthly residual income by recommending Agent Prospector Pro through our free affiliate program. You can start building more relationships and close more transactions by starting a free trial today to see if this system is right for you by clicking on the button below, or if you're on YouTube, the link to the free trial will be in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on the inside.